Merry Christmas Eve, everybody. I wanted to go live really quickly and show you guys how to make Land of Nod cinnamon rolls because this is one of my family's Christmas traditions. Now, I'm using a fluted pan, and I'm not using one from Pampered Chef. I like this one just because it's a little bit deeper than the one that we offer, but the one we have still will work fine. Just know that these will rise above higher than the pan. So in the pan right now, I've just greased this with some oil, and I have half a bag of the Rhodes yeast dinner rolls. So there's 36 in this bag, so 18 dinner rolls in the bag, or excuse me, in the pan. And then I'm gonna take some brown sugar. I'm doing this one-handed. Let me see if I can scoop this out with my hands. So 1 cup of packed brown sugar. So I'm having to use my hand here because I'm using one hand for the video. So you just kind of sprinkle this around. So you're gonna do 1 cup of brown sugar. Get all the stuff I spilled out here. And then we're gonna do 1/4 cup of pudding. So I have white chocolate pudding on hand, but you could use vanilla or cheesecake, really any white pudding. It just gives it a really good flavor. So you're not adding milk to that pudding. You are just adding the dry pudding powder, okay? And I've got 2 tablespoons of Pampered Chef's limited edition Karenji cinnamon. If you do not have the Karenji cinnamon, you only have a few more days to buy this because we're only selling it through December 31st. So you got to get this. I buy lots and lots at a time to make sure I never, ever run out. So we're going to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of cinnamon over the top. So frozen dough rolls, brown sugar, pudding powder. Can y'all still hear me? I had an alarm going off. I was trying to get it to go away. All right, let's see. I'm going to pour butter. So this is 1 cup of melted butter. So this is one of those pampered, not perfect videos, you guys. Let's see here. 1 cup of melted butter. And I have a wet towel. You want to use a towel that the cinnamon is not going to stain, okay? So this is damp, not super, super wet, and you're just going to cover the cinnamon rolls and leave it covered overnight, okay? So the reason these are called Land of Nod is while you are sleeping away, these cinnamon rolls are going to rise, and in the morning, I'm gonna preheat the oven and get these baked. So I'll put the recipe in the comments, but I've shared this so many times that I've never actually showed you guys how to make this. So I hope you guys have a very, very Merry Christmas. See you guys soon.